Is it the right time to buy or sell Apple stock? In this video, we'll be delving deep into the world of Apple. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, November 22, 2023, and today we're here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay up to date with our latest analysis. You wouldn't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Improve your trading decisions with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. As of November 7, 2023, our system has identified Apple as a promising investment opportunity, rating it as a buy candidate with a score of 1.68. Now, let's examine how the stock has performed during this period. During this time, Apple's stock has experienced a gain of 5.22%. This equates to an average daily return of 0.43% since it was classified as a buy candidate. The stock is currently in a wide and horizontal trend, which typically presents a good selling opportunity. However, if the stock breaks through the top trend line at $191.56, it will indicate a strong buy signal and a shift in the trend can be expected. Based on the current 3-month trend, there is a potential 1.91% change over the next 3 months. The possible return during this period ranges from -10.53% to 2.04%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it suggests a 32.75% change over the next year. This could result in a potential return between 18.58% and 48.16%. In terms of price, this translates to a range of $226.86 to $283.45 after a year. Our latest update on Apple reveals positive news. On Wednesday, the stock experienced a green day, gaining 0.351%. Apple's stock price rose from $190.64 to $191.31 on the last trading day, Wednesday, November 22, 2023. Throughout the day, the stock fluctuated between a low of $190.83 and a high of $192.93. It's important to note that the stock price has increased in 6 of the last 10 days, showing a 4.6% gain over the past 2 weeks. Additionally, the volume of shares traded increased alongside the price, which is considered a positive technical sign. In total, 38 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $7.32 billion, with 1 million more shares traded than the previous day. Looking at the bigger picture, over the past 52 weeks, Apple's stock reached a high of $198.22 and a low of $124.17. Currently, the stock is trading at 3.49% below its 52-week high, with a difference of $6.91. It is also trading at 16.19% below its all-time high, which was reached on August 30, 2018, when the price peaked at $228.26. Analyst Ratings. On Tuesday, November 21, 2023, KeyBank gave Apple a sector weight grade with a hold action. On Friday, November 3, 2023, Raymond James gave Apple an outperform grade with a hold action. On Thursday, November 2, 2023, UBS gave Apple a neutral grade with a hold action. On Thursday, November 2, 2023, Evercore ISI gave Apple an outperform grade with a hold action. On Thursday, November 2, 2023, Barclays gave Apple an equal weight grade with a hold action. Analysts have given Apple stock a strong buy rating. They rate the PE ratio as strong buy and price to book as strong buy. As for return on investment, the analysts give the stock a neutral rating. Let's take a look at the signals for Apple stock. Both short and long-term moving averages show buy signals, indicating a positive forecast for the stock. Additionally, the relation between these two signals confirms a general buy signal, as the short-term average is above the long-term average. In case of downward corrections, there is support at $189.75 and $179.34. However, if the stock breaks below these levels, sell signals may be issued. Furthermore, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, also gives a buy signal. Volume is increasing along with the price, which is considered a positive technical signal. However, there are also some negative signals that may impact the stock's near short-term development. For instance, a sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Monday, November 20, 2023, resulting in a decline of -0.0731% so far. It is expected to fall further until a new bottom pivot is found. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. The moving average convergence divergence indicator shows a buy signal. Pivots indicate a sell signal 3 days ago. Bollinger Bands suggest a buy signal 7 days ago. The short-term moving average points to a buy signal 18 days ago. The long-term moving average also indicates a buy signal 16 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages confirms a buy signal 13 days ago. Turning our attention to the 12-month chart, we observe the following. The short moving average confirms a buy signal 16 days ago. The long-term moving average also supports a buy signal 13 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages reinforces a buy signal 60 days ago. If you want to explore more signals, please visit our page at StockInvest.us. Today, let's take a look at the support, risk, and stop-loss levels for Apple. When it comes to support, there are 2 key levels to watch out for. Just below today's stock price, we have accumulated volume support at $177.56 and $176.30. Support levels are important because if they are broken, the stock may fall to the next support level. For Apple, the next support level after $177.56 is at $176.30, followed by $175.01. It's also important to consider the risk involved. With average movements during the day in good trading volume, the risk for Apple is considered to be medium. In the last day, the stock moved $2.11 between its high and low, which is equivalent to a 1.1% change. Looking at the last week, the stock has had a daily average volatility of 1.05%. Before we discuss the potential trading levels for Apple, let's first go over some important fundamental data. One key metric to consider is the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. Apple's PE ratio is within a normal range, which is typically observed in established businesses with predictable revenues. Moving on to other news, the upcoming earnings report for Q4 2023 is scheduled for February 1, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for this report are at $1.39. It's important to keep an eye on these figures as they can significantly impact stock prices. Today, let's take a closer look at some potential day trading levels for Apple. If we observe an upward trend, the first resistance level for Apple stands at $191.45. For those who haven't invested yet, it might be wise to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. However, if you already own the stock, this could be an interesting level to consider for swing trading. On the other hand, if Apple faces a downward movement, its first support level can be found at $177.56. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point, as we anticipate a rebound. According to multiple analyst sources, Apple has received a strong buy rating on average. Now, let's delve into some recent insider trades. On November 16, 2023, Adams Catherine L. sold 123,448 shares of common stock as an insider. On November 16, 2023, Adams Catherine L. bought 123,448 shares of common stock as an insider. On November 17, 2023, Adams Catherine L. sold 123,448 shares of common stock as an insider. On November 10, 2023, Kondo Christ sold 4,806 shares of common stock as an insider. On October 15, 2023, Condo Chris bought 10,785 shares of common stock as an insider. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, the insider power is calculated to be negative with a ratio of -23.042. In total, insiders have purchased 2,435,965 shares and sold 4,035,279 shares in the last 100 trades. For this stock, we recommend setting the stop loss at $184.83, representing a decrease of 3.39%. This particular stock experiences moderate daily movements, indicating a medium level of risk. The RSI 14 value is 82, which significantly increases the risk associated with this stock. Additionally, a sell signal was generated by a pivot top identified 2 days ago. Is Apple stock a good buy? Based on our analysis, there are several positive short-term signals indicating that now may be a good time to consider buying Apple stock. When we examine the volatility and recent movements in the market, our systems indicate that the current price of Apple stock is undervalued. Looking ahead to Friday, November 24th, we anticipate that Apple will open with a gain of $0.378 and begin trading at $191.69. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. We strongly advise you to consult a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment decisions. By using the information provided, you agree to take full responsibility for your own investment choices. Welcome to Stock Invest, where we provide you with an insightful view of the stock market. We value your opinion, so please share your thoughts in the comments below. Additionally, let us know your target for this stock. If you find our content helpful, remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel. We appreciate your support. Wishing you successful trading and a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.